Chapter 4, we learn about queries. A query is defined as a utility in a database that enables the users to display the data they want in the order you want to display them. This is achieved by asking questions about the data in your tables, which are answered by selecting the data that meets certain criteria. A criteria is the condition, which is used as a basis of selecting the records from the tables. Some of the functions of queries in databases may include: 1. It is used to view, change, and analyze data in different ways. 2. It is used as a source of data for forms and reports. 3. It is used to bring together multiple pieces of information from multiple tables. 4. It is used to perform calculations on groups of records. 5. It can also be used to make changes to data, modify. 6. It is used to sort data in the desired order. 7. It can also be used to filter out unwanted data from the display by specifying the criteria. The most commonly used queries are the select query and the parameter query. A select query is the initially created query, that which enables one to select the inputs fields for display in the DynaSet. In this context, a DynaSet is a dynamic view of data from one or more tables, selected and sorted as specified by the query. With the select query, one can view data from the tables, analyze the data, and even make changes to the data. Also, one can view data from several tables in one display, and retrieve data from one or more tables using the criteria that you specify, then displays the data in the desired order. It can be used to group records and calculate sum, count, average, and other types of totals. A parameter query receives a value on opening the query specified. The value entered is used as the value for the criteria for that specific field. It relieves one from entering the values of criteria on design view of a query. A parameter query is a query that when run displays its own dialog box, prompting one for more information, which acts as a criteria for retrieving the records. One can design the query to prompt for more than one piece of information, such as 2 dates. The database system then retrieves all the records that fall between those 2 dates. With the parameter query, one can view specific data from the tables as required without having to rearrange the query design. On running the query, the database management system collects the required data in a DynaSet. The parameter query makes use of operators such as set. They are mainly used to specify the range of values that should be displayed. The keywords between and not between can also be used to specify the range.